Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload. DJ Black Coffee celebrates Christmas with a family, and his fans were overjoyed by the emotional moments they witnessed on his social media accounts. He had a blast on this festive season, and he took everything to his social media to show his fans what he is happy, he is at peace, and he is with his family just enjoying life. Nje. Personally, I think this is really good because now he is showing young men and everyone out there it is very, very important to spend a time with your family. We see him with his wife, his mother, his kids. And when I say his fans were overjoyed, guys, I mean this because they were commenting, just complimenting his life, complimenting the way he is living, the way he is at peace. Because yes, you can actually see the peace, you can actually see the happiness on his face. With this person, he's just happy. He's just happy wherever he is, and his wife is also happy, which is the most important thing. And the rest, we just leave everything behind. On these videos and posts, he was actually showing off his mother dancing, obviously showing what she's happy where she is, and his girlfriend also, his fiance, also appeared on this post, and they were all just so happy in this expensive mansion, okay? And we all can see what they are spending, like they are really spending money, and they are living such a lavish lifestyle, which is something that made everyone happy for him, or after everything that he went through. We all know what it was, just up and down, and he lost so many things, and here he is today with his mother, with the love of his life, happy and just enjoying life. He left everything behind.